Bush Ranger combo tray canopy setup for Ram 1500. We have them in different sizes. The tray size is fixed for Ram 1500 for quad cab and double cab. We have the canopies in different sizes in 1 meter, 1.5, 1.7 and full length. The height is 1 meter. Comes with 1.8 meter drawer, 4 toolboxes, the ladder rack, the light bar in the ladder rack, designed and manufactured by ARMORMAN 4X4 Australia, with weatherproof drawer. We call this model Bush Ranger, with the possibility to add water tank in the headboard, stainless steel water tank in the headboard.